Today I'm going to show you how to set up the IPEVO VZX wireless document camera. First, let's go over what you're going to need. 1. The camera itself, 2. An iPad with Wi-Fi, and 3. The IPEVO Visualizer app from the App Store. Before we open the Visualizer app, we're going to have to connect to the wireless network on the camera. You're going to do this by opening Settings, then tapping on Wi-Fi, then finding the wireless network that starts with VZX. Once it's connected, we're going to go back to our home screen and open the Visualizer app. If you get this pop-up, just tap Later to dismiss it. Now we're going to press the camera button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will open the camera settings menu where we will tap the button that says Device. A new menu should open. From here, under LAN cameras, choose the option starting with VZ-X. The menu will close and it may take a few seconds to connect to the camera. Once the camera is connected, I'm going to tap the camera button again. This time I'm going to choose the button with an arrow circling around a square. When I press the button, it's going to rotate the image so it shows up properly on my screen. I tapped away here to make sure the image was in the correct position. Finally, to have the image fill the whole screen, I'm going to tap the camera button one more time. I'm then going to tap on Resolution and choose 1600 by 1200. Like before, you have to wait a few seconds, but the camera's feed should now take up the whole screen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for future videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about assistive technology or the services we provide, please visit our website at www.kenyonlearning.com.